Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage website traffic with Crazy Egg, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin managing website traffic with Crazy Egg, start by visiting the Crazy Egg website. Create an account by clicking the sign up button and filling in your details. After registration, log in to your newly created account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Add a New Site section. Enter your website URL and give your site a name for easy identification. Click on the Create Site button to move forward. Next, you will be prompted to install the Crazy Egg tracking script. Copy the tracking script provided in your account dashboard. Access your website's content management system or code editor. Paste the tracking script into the HTML of your website, just before the closing /head tag. Save your changes and publish the updated code on your site. Return to your Crazy Egg dashboard to ensure that your site is listed as tracking. Wait for a few days to allow Crazy Egg to gather sufficient. Once data collection has commenced, explore the dashboard to access various tools. Start with the heat map feature to visualize where visitors click on your site. Analyze the heat map results to identify popular sections and potential areas for improvement. Next, utilize the Scroll Map tool to understand how far down visitors scroll on your pages. Determine if your content is engaging enough to retain visitors' attention. Consider using the Confetti tool to differentiate between clicks from various traffic sources. Review the recorded user sessions with the Session Recordings feature for deeper insights. Take note of any patterns or behaviors that indicate user preferences. Adjust your website layout or content based on the findings from Crazy Egg. Test any changes you make by running new heat maps and scroll maps after implementation. Continuously monitor your website's performance to see how adjustments affect traffic behavior. Leverage the A/B testing feature to experiment with variations of your pages. Compare the results of different versions to determine which performs better. Regularly check back in on your Crazy Egg dashboard to stay informed on your traffic insights. Refine your strategies based on ongoing data and user interactions to optimize your website continually. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.